You're listening to ARC Advisory Group's The Sustainability Podcast, where we explore how artificial intelligence, industrial sustainability, logistics, supply chains, and smart cities are shaping the future. In every episode, we talk with industry leaders who are finding practical ways to create more sustainable solutions. Whether you're a business professional or just curious, these conversations will give you fresh ideas on how to reduce environmental impact while improving efficiency. From smart technologies to rethinking supply chain strategies, there's always something new to learn. If you'd like to go further and make a real difference, be sure to connect with ARC Advisory Group. Our expertise can help your organization adopt cutting-edge sustainability strategies that drive both innovation and results. Don't miss the chance to stay ahead and make meaningful changes for a more sustainable future. Welcome again to the Sustainability Podcast. Today, we'll be discussing the Internet of Things, in particular, how IoT is transforming real-time data collection and tracking for digital product passports. So as we know, the Internet of Things, or IoT, continues to impact how industries track products and manage data. This network of devices enables seamless, automatic data collection from physical objects in near real time. IoT sensors attached to products monitor various parameters such as temperature, humidity, location, and other factors relative and very critical to a product's life cycle. Digital product passports, or DPPs as they're abbreviated, rely heavily on this IoT to capture and record this data, providing a transparent view of a product's life all the way from creation to retirement and disposal. This IoT data stream ensures that every action taken on a product is tracked and verified. This near real-time monitoring ensures compliance with regulations, enhances product safety, and helps build trust with consumers. By using IoT, DPPs become living, evolving records that reflect a product's actual environmental and operational footprint. This allows businesses to automate compliance and provide operational transparency, reducing the need for manual interventions and additional documentation. For businesses and consumers alike, this increased transparency is valuable as it builds a clear chain of custody for products. And in a world where sustainability and traceability are increasingly important, IoT really becomes a foundational pillar of a robust and dependable DPP system. So how does IoT enhance the digital product passport ecosystem? Well, the current ecosystem for DPPs is built in parallel and in conjunction with IoT devices. From production to disposal, IoT enables data acquisition across every stage of a product's life cycle. In manufacturing, IoT sensors ensure that each step of the process is tracked, ensuring that all materials meet required quality standards. This data feeds directly into the DPP, creating a permanent record of how a product was built. Throughout the supply chain, IoT devices monitor products as they move, tracking critical factors including transportation conditions and environmental parameters. This data is collected, then updated in the DPP, offering real-time insights into a product's current condition. In retail environments, IoT-enabled systems manage inventory levels and provide feedback about stock conditions, further enhancing the DPP's accuracy. Even at the end-of-life retirement stage, IoT plays a role by helping track recycling and disposal processes, ensuring that materials are managed correctly. The constant feedback loop enabled by IoT ensures that DPPs are always accurate and up to date, offering almost complete transparency for all stakeholders. So what are the challenges of implementing IoT with DPPs? Well, while IoT offers great potential for digital product passports, there are challenges to its widespread implementation. One of the concerns is data security, as the constant flow of information between devices can be vulnerable to cyber attacks. Ensuring the integrity of data collected by IoT devices is essential to maintaining the reliability of DPPs. Another challenge is device compatibility. Different manufacturers produce IoT devices with varying standards, making it difficult to ensure frictionless communication between systems. Additionally, the cost of implementing a full IoT infrastructure, especially for smaller companies, can be prohibitive. There's also the issue of data overload. IoT devices develop and transmit tremendous amounts of information, and managing, storing, and analyzing this data requires significant investments in both technology and human technical expertise. Additionally, IoT devices must function in various environmental conditions, and maintaining their reliability in harsh settings presents another significant challenge. Privacy concerns also arise, as collected data may include sensitive information, including intellectual property. Regulatory hurdles, including compliance with national and international standards, add complexity to IoT deployment in conjunction with DPPs. Lastly, businesses may also face resistance to change, as adopting IoT requires a re-engineering of workflows and processes. So how do we as an industry overcome these IoT challenges for seamless DPP integration? To fully realize these benefits of IoT in digital product passports, businesses must strategically address these challenges. First, by improving cybersecurity protocols. That's simply critical, with encryption technologies and secure communication methods helping to safeguard true data integrity. Open standards should be embraced to ensure true interoperability between IoT devices from different manufacturers and the DPP itself, fostering a more interoperable ecosystem. Companies can start small by implementing IoT in key areas of their operations, gradually expanding to larger scale deployments as they learn and become more comfortable with the technology. Of course, cloud-based storage solutions can manage the substantial amounts of data generated by these IoT devices, and they offer a scalable and flexible option for businesses of all sizes. Implementing predictive maintenance strategies can also help ensure that IoT devices remain reliable, particularly in hazardous and extreme environments. Businesses should also work closely with regulatory bodies to ensure compliance with relevant and current data privacy and security regulations, while educating their teams on best practices for handling that sensitive information. Strategic partnerships with technology providers can also assist businesses in leveraging expertise in IoT and DPP integration. Of course, regularly updating and maintaining IoT systems can further enhance their efficiency and reliability. So by addressing these challenges and others, companies can truly unlock the full potential of IoT-driven digital product passports. So summing up, in the future, IoT will continue to play a vital role in empowering digital product passports. The arrival of 5G technology will enhance the speed and reliability of IoT networks, addressing for even more real-time data collection and faster processing times. This will enable businesses to track products across the global supply chain with even more accuracy. Machine learning and artificial intelligence will also enhance IoT systems, enabling predictive analytics that can foresee potential issues before they arise, further improving the accuracy and dependability of digital product passports. IoT sensors themselves continue to become more advanced, capable of tracking an even broader range of data points to give a more comprehensive picture of a product's life cycle. Blockchain integration with IoT will ensure that all data collection is securely recorded, increasing trust in the accuracy of digital product passports. All of these advances should allow consumers and businesses to make more informed decisions, boost transparency and accountability in all industries that they touch. Governments and regulators are also expected to introduce additional rules requiring real-time data tracking for products, further driving the adoption of IoT-enabled digital product passports. This future will see digital product passports become a standard part of global supply chains, enabling better sustainability and resource management for all stakeholders. For businesses aiming to maximize the benefits of IoT and digital product passports, several strategic actions should be taken. And while we've touched on these, first, investing in secure IoT networks with end-to-end encryption will ensure that data collected is protected from potential cyber attacks. Businesses should also work with IoT device manufacturers to adopt those open interoperability standards, enabling seamless communications between different devices and systems. Scalability, of course, is key, and companies should begin with smaller IoT implementations and expand their networks as they grow more familiar with the technology. Additionally, as we mentioned earlier, cloud-based solutions offer the flexibility to manage the huge amounts of data generated by IoT devices, ensuring that companies can scale their data management systems alongside their IoT deployments. Of course, leveraging 5G technology will boost the efficiency of IoT devices, particularly in tracking products across global supply chains. Then, of course, training the workforce to manage and interpret all of this data that's generated by the IoT equipment is very important. This skill set, frankly, is critical for maintaining accurate digital product passports. Strategic partnerships will allow companies to tap into innovative technologies and expertise. Investing in predictive maintenance and regularly updating IoT systems also will ensure that the devices remain reliable and trustworthy. Finally, integrating AI-driven analytics will help businesses extract valuable insights from the data collected, enabling better decision-making for all. So thus, digital product passports, when powered by IoT, offer an unprecedented level of transparency and accountability. IoT provides that near real-time data necessary to ensure that every product is tracked accurately through its life cycle, building trust with consumers and, frankly, all stakeholders, and improving operational efficiency. However, the challenges of security, interoperability, and cost must be addressed for businesses to fully leverage IoT's potential in this domain. With advancements in 5G, machine learning, and blockchain, the future of IoT-driven digital product passports is one of enhanced transparency, faster data collection, and greater sustainability. Businesses that take proactive steps to adopt and integrate IoT into their operations will find themselves better positioned to meet these coming regulatory requirements and consumer expectations. Thus, the key is adopting a strategic phased approach to IoT deployment, focusing on security and interoperability while remaining agile in the face of technological advancements. As this IoT ecosystem continues to evolve, digital product passports will become an essential tool for managing product life cycles, ensuring that businesses remain competitive and accountable in an increasingly transparent global market supply chain. Thanks for joining us today on the Sustainability Podcast, and we look forward to seeing you on an upcoming episode. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in to the Sustainability Podcast. Today, we explored how artificial intelligence, logistics, supply chains, and smart cities are revolutionizing sustainability efforts across industries. Now's the time to take what you've heard and start implementing those changes in your work. Please share this episode with others who are passionate about building a better future and keep the momentum going. For those looking to go deeper, ARC Advisory Group offers unparalleled guidance in developing and executing sustainability strategies. Please reach out to us for expert insights and support that can help you turn these ideas into action and to lead your organization towards a more sustainable path.